Hello students. The previous class में देखा था PN junction and its VI characteristics, biasing of PN junction and VI characteristics. आज देखा application of PN junction. Application of PN junction. तो PN junction में कौन कहते हैं? तो when the PN junction is forward bias, it conducts the current. अर्थात there is a current flowing through the junction. If it is reverse bias, it does not conduct the current. अर्थात no current flows through the junction. On the basis of this principle, the one of the application of the PN junction is rectification. Clear? तो प्रथम देखा rectification. Rectification. The rectification, it is a process of conversion of current AC to DC. It is the process. It is the process of conversion AC to DC. Process of conversion of AC to DC. Now, प्रथम देखिए what is the AC? It is the process of conversion. How to convert the AC to DC? The process of conversion from AC to DC. तो प्रथम देखिए what do you mean by AC and DC? So AC means DC वाला direct current. AC, that is the alternating current. Here, what do you mean by direct current and alternating current? The direct current, that is the DC. Direct current is DC. Alternating current, AC. What do you mean by direct current and what do you mean by alternating current? Suppose this is a circuit. We use a DC source. This is the symbol of the DC source. If you use a DC source, then the current flows, and it is always from positive towards positive to negative. This is the direction of the current. Always the current flows from higher potential to lower potential. That means positive to negative. This is your unidirectional current. Direct current means unidirectional current. Always the current flows in one direction. Its magnitude may be constant or may be variable, but the direction is always constant. Like that, if in that circuit, instead of the DC, we use an AC source. This is the symbol of AC source. This is the symbol of a AC source. Clear? It is the symbol of AC source. This is your DC source. DC. It is always a positive. The big line is positive, small line is the negative. But this is an alternating source. And this alternating source has two cycles. It is a cycle. It is one complete cycle. It has two half cycles. One is the positive half cycle and another is the negative half cycle. This constitute one cycle. Total got a cycle. In Indian AC, there are 50 cycles completes in 1 second. That means the frequency of AC is 50 Hertz. There are 50 cycles completes in 1 second. Clear? So this is the alternating source. When it is positive, suppose for positive source, for positive, let it be this side is positive, this side is negative. Then the current flows from positive to negative. This is the direction of current. Clear? If we consider the negative source, this is the negative source, this is the negative half cycle. So for negative half cycle, this one is the negative and this is positive. We alternate the polarity. Then the current flows from this side to this side. Arthat, the current flows through, by current flows in the circuit, alternate in a definite particular period. Alternating current. The current changes the direction periodically, but here the current is always constant. Therefore, it is called same direction. DC current. This is known as alternating current. The current changes the direction periodically. Hela for an example mo kahili that is the frequency of Indian AC is equal to 50 Hz. That means the time taken to complete cycle, the gote cycle complete haba pai how much time it takes, na t is equal to 1 by f. The time period is the reciprocal of the frequency, and this is equal to 1 by 50, that is equal to 2 by 100, अर्थात that is equal to 0.02 second. अर्थात it takes 0.02 second to complete one cycle. For half cycle, this is your 0.01 second, and this is another 0.01 second. अर्थात the प्रति 0.01 second रे तोर कोन अछि the current direction alter होछि हला. So it is named as an alternating current. The direction of the current changes periodically, and this period kete 0.01 हला. तर प्रति 0.01 रे तोर कोन अछि current ता fluctuate होछबा, current तार direction ता change करूछि. Magnitude may be constant, may be variable, but current changes the direction periodically. Clear? So this is an alternating source and this is a direct source. Hela. The conversion of the process of a conversion of AC to DC is known as the rectification. So why we convert AC to DC? Because the AC हमारे कौन हमें जो हमें घरे जो लाइन व्यवहार करू से that is the alternating current, but the sum of the appliances require DC. हमें घरे जो करंट व्यवहार करू से जो करंट आसिला से करंट होछि की करंट अल्टरनेटिंग करंट, किंतु आमे जो घरे सब एप्लायंस लगो जो व्यवहार करू से तार भितरु किछि एसी करंट आवश्यकता अछि, किछि डीसी करंट आवश्यकता अछि. फॉर एग्जांपल आमे मोबाइल ते चार्जिंग करू से हाउ तर मोबाइल जेतरा आमे चार्जिंग करू से त डायरेक्ट मोबाइल टा ने कि आमे एसी सर्किट से तबा सॉकेट जो प्लग लागि छि ता द्वारा हम यूज करू ना कोन करू छे ना थ्रू ए अडाप्टर. हम अडाप्टर साहाय्य मोबाइल टा को यूज कर चार्जिंग करू से तो काई के अडाप्टर लगेले हम तो डायरेक्टली मोबाइल टा को सीधा हम कोन करथांते करंट से तो लगे देते बा बोर्ड रो जो प्लग सॉकेट अछि से ता लगे दिना, किंतु कोन होबो ना हम डायरेक्टली मोबाइल टा को यूज करबा त मोबाइल में बर्न आउट पड़ी छ, कारण इट रिक्वायर्स अ डीसी करंट नॉट एसी करंट हला. तेणु से कोन करा अछि गोटे एडाप्टर साहाय्य रे आमे जो करंट अछि एसी करंट ताको आमे कन्वर्ट करू से डीसी करंट को. क्लियर? तो सम ऑफ द एप्लायंसेस रिक्वायर डीसी करंट. सपोज गोटे ट्रांजिस्टर गोटे रेडियो टे अछि तो रेडियो टे बाजिया पहिले कोन दरकार गोटे पावर सप्लाई दरकार एवं से पावर सप्लाई पाई करंट दरकार एवं से करंट कोड पाइबो हम पाखरे अवेलेबिलिटी कोन एसी सोर्स आमे कोन करसे ना बेट हमरो ट्रांजिस्टर बा गोटे रेडियो बजाय पाए हमर डीसी सोर्स दरकार. तेणु आमे सब कोन करसे गोटे एलिमिनेटर यूज करसे. वी यूज एन एलिमिनेटर आइदर आमे एक्सटर्नल एलिमिनेटर यूज कर परियो किंबा बेट किछि बेट ग्रेड रे कोन था इनबिल्ट मध्य था भीतर मध्य था. तो सही पाई आमे कोन करसे किछि जगह रे हमरो एसी सोर्स हम पाखरे अवेलेबिलिटी किंतु वी रिक्वायर द डीसी सोर्स फॉर रनिंग ऑफ द सम एप्लायंसेस. तेणु आमे कोन करिवा एसी अछि अवेलेबिलिटी ताको आमे डीसी को कन्वर्ट करिवा, and this process is known as rectification. It is the process of conversion of AC to DC. अर्थात the conversion of AC to DC is called rectification. Clear? एवं ए जे rectification ता जहां साहाय्य रे करिबा that is known as the rectifier. Clear? The element or the device that rectifies, that converts AC to DC is known as rectifier. Clear? The device that converts AC to DC, that converts AC to DC. The device that converts AC to DC is called rectifier. rectifier. जे rectify कला सेला rectifier. Rectify means AC to DC को जे convert कला. The device that converts AC to DC is called a rectifier. है ना? तो by the help of a crystal diode PN junction, we can change by we can convert AC to DC. Therefore, the PN junction acts as a rectifier. Clear? By the use of, by the help of, by the use of the PN junction, by the use of the PN junction, by use of the PN junction, we can convert AC to DC. Clear? So PN junction acts as a rectifier. So PN junction, or other name is, yes, PN junction is called crystal diode. The PN junction or crystal diode acts as a rectifier. Clear? As a rectifier. Hello? So by the help of, by the use of PN junction, we can convert AC to DC. तेणु PN junction बा crystal diode acts as a rectifier. Clear? तो हमें PN junction साहाଯ୍ୟରେ हमें कौन करि परिबा AC ରୁ DC को कन्वर्ट करि परिबा. तो PN junction acts as a rectifier. Clear? Next. तो वर्तमान में कौन कहले the rectification means that is the conversion from AC to DC. तो AC ରୁ DC को कन्वर्ट करिवा प्रोसेस को हमें कौन कहले कन्वर्सन प्रोसेस. ए जो कन्वर्सन को कौन कहले रेक्टिफिकेशन. अर्थात देखिए this is an alternating source, one of the cycle, है ना, this is one cycle of alternating source. So this is known as the positive cycle, yes, half cycle, and this is your negative half cycle. Clear? So जेहेतु this cycle consists of two half cycles and this cycles is convert to क्या है DC. DC means constant unidirectional, है ना. हमें DC को कन्वर्ट करें तो चांस unidirectional करें. Always it is positive. it is positive negative, so it is only one direction. तले वर्तमान हमें कौन करि परिबा we can convert, if we convert only one half cycle of AC to DC, then ताको हमें कहबा half wave rectification. If we convert both the cycles, both the half cycles of a cycle, then it is called full wave rectification. तेणु हमारा दुई प्रकार rectification हला. There are two types of rectification. There are two types of rectification. There are two types of rectification. One is half wave rectification. Half wave rectification. Half wave rectification. And another is full half. It is a full wave. It is a half wave. It is a full wave rectification. Clear? So one is the half wave rectification and another is the full wave rectification. Already? So प्रश्न देखिए half wave rectification. First, you see that half wave rectification. How we convert only one half cycle of a cycle to DC. It is a half wave rectification. Half wave rectification. Clear? So it is a process of rectification. It is a process of a conversion in which only one half cycle is converted to this. Only one half cycle, not both half cycle. Okay, but a cycle में कितने half cycle? This is a cycle. Complete one cycle. It is a half cycle. It is a half cycle. तो कौन half rectification? It is a rectification. It is a rectification. Means conversion of AC to DC. It is a rectification in which the half of the cycle, in which half of the cycle of AC is converted. Of AC is converted to DC. The only one half of the cycle of AC, half of the তাহলে এটা হলো গোটে সাইকেল তার অধা কো আমি দি রেক্টিফিকেশন করি পারিবা তাহলে দ্যাট টাইপ অফ রেক্টিফিকেশন কো আমি কোন কইবা হাফ অফ द रेक्टिफिकेशन नॉट द फुल कंप्लीटली को আমি না করি ओनली 1/2% যদি আমি কনভার্ট করি পারিবা ডিসি को তাহলে তা কইবা হাফ অফ রেক্টিফিকেশন and it can be done with the help of one junction diode or crystal diode हैला so it can be achieved by it can be done. This process can be done by use of only by use of one crystal diode, one crystal diode but PN junction. PN here. So it can be done by use of one crystal diode by PN junction. With the help of one PN junction, we can convert the half of the cycle of AC to DC. So this is known as the half-wave rectification. So next, how to convert only 1/2% of the AC to DC with the help of one PN junction. Clear? This was circuit diagram. Circuit diagram. Yes. We consider a power transformer. Yes, this is the circuit diagram. Clear? This is the circuit diagram of half-wave rectification. तो ये कौन करेगा? This is your transformer. This is the symbol of transformer. And this is known as the primary coil. This is the primary coil. Let it be P1, P2. And this is your secondary coil, S1, and this is the S2. Then this is your PN junction by crystal diode, D, crystal diode D, and this is a load resistance across which we find the output for load. So this is the load. We can find out. This is output, and our output that is equal to V0 is equal to I into Rn. We get output. Clear? And this is your input and our output. We get output here. Output. And this is your input. this is the input, this is the alternating source which is to be rectified. Here, this is the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, we consider a junction diode by crystal diode, and that is connected with the secondary. This crystal diode is connected with the secondary through a load resistance RL, across which we get the output. Clear? So let us how it is convert one half cycle of AC to DC. Clear? So this is the input and this is equal to output. Look at here. The circuit diagram. This is the power transformer in which the alternating source that convert to DC is connected in the primary winding, and the diode is connected in the secondary winding through a load resistance RL. The alternating source, the AC, the alternating current that to be converted AC, the AC that to be converted is connected across the primary, is connected in primary coil of the current of a transformer. A crystal diode by PN junction. A PN junction is connected in secondary coil, a PN junction is connected in secondary coil through a load RL, by external resistance through a load RL. Clear? The AC that to be rectified, that to be converted is connected in primary coil of a transformer, and a PN junction is connected in secondary by across the secondary coil through a load resistance RL. Clear? So what are how the AC is converted to DC. Clear? Thus, if we consider the waveform, this is your input. This is the input. The input source is the alternating source. This is the alternating source input. Clear? Like this. Okay. This is one complete cycle. I tell you a complete cycle, and this is your positive cycle, and this is your negative cycle. This is another positive cycle, and this is your negative cycle. Like that. Good alternating source 50 cycles are there but covers in 1 second. This is the input. Now we found the output. This is your output. So this is your output. Then how to get the output? This one. So what is the action of the current? Next one is action. The working of current. Action. When the AC is connected to the primary coil, which is to be rectified. This is an AC. This is the AC circuit. AC. For positive half cycle of AC, suppose for positive half cycle of AC, this end is positive, this is the negative, and suppose this end is positive and this end is negative. Suppose for the positive half cycle of AC, let S1 is the positive and S2 is negative. If the S1 is connected to the positive, S1 is positive, with respect to S2, this side is connected to, this is the PN junction, among this triangle is a p type semiconductor and bar टा कौन करेगा n type semiconductor. So p is connected to the positive and n is connected to negative. That means here the junction diode by PN junction is forward bias. Hala? So for positive half cycle of AC, the PN junction acts as a forward bias. If it is a forward bias, then it conducts the current through the junction. जोटा कि हमें biasing of PN junction में पढ़ी थी. When the PN junction is forward bias, ताले कौन होगा? The current flows. It conducts the current. The current flows through the junction. तो आप इधर देख कौन है ला? Current flow. ताले when the current flows through the junction, ताले when this current flows, ताले suppose ताले this end is A, let it be A, and this end is B. The current flows through the load RL from A to B, and we get the output, the current I into RL, that is called E0. Clear? So for the positive half cycle of AC, we get the output, and the current through the load RL is A to B. The current is A to B. The current is from A to B. Next, I will देखिए for second half cycle. The second half cycle क्या है? Negative. For second half cycle, so this changes to negative and this is the positive. So when it is negative, P is connected to negative and N is connected to positive, then the PN junction is reverse bias. When the PN junction is reverse bias, then it does not conduct. then कौन करेगा? The PN junction is not conduct, so there is no current through this junction. पहले junction देखी कौन होगा? Current flow होगा नहीं. जब PN junction देखी current flow हो नहीं, तब बर्तन I कितने गए? 0. If I is equal to 0, then output is 0. Clear? तब इट अलग कर. तब हमें कौन जाने ले? Action for positive half cycle. For positive half cycle, but during the positive half cycle, तारीख पर for positive half cycle of AC, for positive half cycle of AC, let S1 is positive, let S1 is positive and S2 is negative. Let S1 is positive and S2 and S2 is negative. S1 is positive and S2 is negative. For positive half cycle of AC, let S1 is positive and S2 is negative. As S1 is positive, S2 is negative, then कौन है? This diode is forward bias. The diode, the PN junction, is forward bias. Is forward biased. The PN junction is forward biased. As the PN junction is forward biased, so it conducts the current through it. So it conducts the current. So it conducts the current through it. तो कौन करियो? आधे की current flow हो करियो. अभी जानी छे? अलरेडी PN junction ला दीटा काट्यो. When it is forward bias, it conducts the current, अर्थात current flows through the junction. एवं जब reverse bias होगा, तमारो current does not flow through the junction. तले जेहेतु for positive half cycle of AC, the diode is forward biased, so it conducts the current through it. It conducts the current through it. So the current through है, we get the output, and the current through the load is from A to B. Right? The current flowing through it. The current. This is diode the current flow है, the resistance है कौन होगा? The current flows from A to B. The current flows from A to B in RL, and we get output. है तो let have a current in the resistance, load resistance is A to B, and we get the output. Clear? Then for the positive half cycle of AC, for positive half cycle of AC, we get the output and it is positive. And suppose this is the duration of a positive half cycle. Then during the positive half cycle, we get the output. And this output is pulsating variable in nature because the current is also variable. Hala? So here we compile, we get the this output. I mean output. For positive half cycle. For negative half cycle. So for negative half cycle, second step. For negative half cycle of AC, S1 is negative and S2 is positive. Clear? So for negative half cycle of AC, second case, for negative half cycle of AC, let S1 is negative and S2 is positive. Then it called the PN junction is reverse biased. Forward bias dila. Then it PN junction is reverse bias. Because P is connected to negative. The reverse bias. Reverse bias. When P is connected to P and N is connected to N, this is your forward bias. And if P is connected to N and N is connected to P, then this is your reverse bias. Then P type is connected to the negative, P is connected to N, and N is connected to the positive. Then this is the reverse bias. Then the PN junction is reverse biased. As the PN junction is reverse biased, so it does not conduct. It does not conduct current through it. So now there current flow banai. It is reverse bias in reverse biasing, the PN junction provides a high resistance path. No current conduction takes through the junction. So it does not conduct the current through it. যদি आधे की current जाऊ नहीं तो electric current कोट हसीबो अर्थात there is no current in the resistance R L हैला तो the current हैला नहीं तो there is no current through the load resistance R L, so we do not get any output हैला तो there is no current through RL in RL, so we do not get so there is no output, there is no output, output is 0. Clear? So let us compile for negative half cycle. This is the duration of the negative half cycle. For the negative half cycle, there is no current, no output. So the output, output for positive half cycle we get. For negative half cycle we don't get any output. So this is the one cycle. Similarly, we repeat for the second half current, second cycle. It is one cycle. This is the first cycle. It is first cycle. And similarly, for next cycle, it is repeated. The same phenomena is repeated in each cycle of AC. Clear? Same phenomena of S is repeated in each cycle of S. Arthat, again, for positive half cycle, duration of positive half cycle, there is an output, and then for the second cycle, the positive, it is negative. For positive half cycle, again the current flows from Q to A to P. And for negative half cycle, there is no current, or there is no output. only one half cycle of AC is converted to DC. मतलब देखो always the current through the load RL is A to B. This side एटी कोन अछि वोल्टेज तुम्हारा पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल चेंज होछि किंतु एटी कोन पहुंचे the current in the output circuit is always from A to B. हैला तो एटा कोन पाइले unidirectional current हैला. Thus this process is repeated in each cycle. The process is repeated in each cycle. है ना. The process is repeated in each cycle. तो लेट कोड होगा तो प्रत्येक साइकिल रे सेम थिंग फॉर पॉजिटिव हाफ साइकिल पाई we get the output and there is no output for negative half cycle. है ना. The process is repeated in each cycle and the current है ना through RL, current in RL, load resistance RL is always from A to B, is always from A to B. So the output is a DC current. मगला कहते first कहते DC current means unidirectional flow, always in one direction. So the output is a DC current. Output is a DC. तो हमें कौन पाइले only one half cycle of AC is converted, only one half cycle, only positive half cycle is converted, but there is no conversion of a negative half cycle. तो मेरा फॉर्मूला half wave rectification. So the output is a DC. So this process is the half wave rectification. So this is the half wave rectification. Only one half cycle of AC is converted, but the other half cycle is not converted. For other half cycle, the output is zero, not converted. It is converted. It is not converted. It is converted. It is not converted. Then only one half cycle is converted, and always the output current through the load resistance but the circuit is one direction. So it is a DC current. Clear? But the DC current that obtained is also variable as AC. Clear? So what do you mean? Efficiency. So what do you mean by efficiency? Efficiency means what I engine rob about a device efficiency kala mein kon buziba the output to the input. Hala? The efficiency. Efficiency it is the ratio between output power to input power. It is the ratio between output power to input power है ना. तो प्रत्येक इंजिन प्रत्येक डिवाइस रा एफिशिएंसी ला आउटपुट टू द इनपुट हमें इनपुट देले आउटपुट पाइले तो जहार आउटपुट जते अधिक with the same input हमें तार कोन को एफिशिएंसी सेते अधिक for a given input. So it is the ratio between output power to the input power. It is the ratio between काठा भितरे output power to input power. हमें इनपुट दोचे आउटपुट पाउचे तो केते इनपुट देले एवं सही अनुसार केते आउटपुट पाइले. The ratio of the output to the input is known as efficiency. It is denoted by eta, Greek letter eta. It is denoted by eta and expressed in percentage and expressed in percent. एक्सप्रेस्ड इन परसेंट है ना. हम एफिशिएंट को कोन भाग करिबा परसेंट रे भाग करिबा अर्थात द आउटपुट ता केते परसेंट का हर एसी रो इनपुट रो है ना. तो दिस इज योर एफिशिएंसी. तो लेट करिबा तो एफिशिएंसी इज इक्वल टू yes, efficiency is equal to output power. So the P out and the output power is the DC divided by input power, which is given power, that is equal to AC. The output DC power to the input AC power is known as efficiency, and it is expressed in percent. This is the efficiency. Yeah. The output power to the input power, and it is expressed in percent. This is the efficiency of a half-wave rectification. For an ideal rectification, for an ideal rectifier means at K, PN junction. Clear? So for an ideal PN junction, if I consider ideal PN junction whose forward resistance is 0. For an ideal rectification, but for an ideal rectifier of PN junction, this efficiency is 40.6%. For an ideal rectifier by ideal PN junction, the efficiency the half-wave rectifier is 40.6%. Clear? So this is your half-wave rectification. So in case of half-wave rectification, only one half cycle of AC, that means the positive half cycle of on each cycle, जतरा cycle तक प्रति cycle में only गोटे अधा wave को हमें convert करी पारु से, आउ अधा wave को हमें convert करी पारु ना हो. So therefore it is known as the half wave rectification. Clear? The next class I will see the full wave rectification, in which both the half cycles, both for positive and negative, are converted to DC. It has only one half cycle को हमें convert करते by using a only one PN junction or PN गोटे crystal diode by PN junction व्यवहार करें. हमें next class में देखिवा how to convert both the half cycle of AC to DC. Now for that we need two PN junction. एठी हमें गोटे PN junction नोतले सेठी हमें दुईटा PN junction साहाय्य हमें कौन करि परिबा the both the half cycle of AC को हमें convert करि परिबा. तो ताको कहजिवो full wave rectification. Clear?